how to fix and solve YouTube app Shorts glitch. So if you want to fix your YouTube app Shorts glitch, then for that, what you need to do is go ahead and simply swipe off from the bottom and then close your YouTube application completely and then reopen it from your home screen. After you do that, you need to go ahead and simply open up your settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on General option. Just scroll down a bit and you'll find General. Then tap on iPhone storage. Inside your iPhone storage, you need to scroll below and then you need to tap on YouTube. Tap on offload application, then you just need something to go and offload it again. Doing this will help you clear the storage and also help you clear the cache as well. Once done, head back to your home screen and then open up your app store. After opening your app store, you need to go ahead and search for YouTube. After searching, you need to go ahead and if you have any updates on your YouTube, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need simply go and switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And with that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.